Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is on getting the Toyota Camry. This is 2002, I believe, through 2006. AC working again. So last year we had this problem with the blinking light, and it's peak of summer now, and I was told that it's not working again. So I'm going to move it in the garage here where it's a little cooler, and we're going to try to fix it again. This time we're going to do something that's even easier and should last longer. So let me go ahead and get it in the carport, and we'll resume the video. Okay, just pulled it up here. Let's try it out real quick here. I don't even know how to work it. Okay, so let's right now it's blinking there. Get it like 67 or so, but see, it's blinking, so that means it's not working. So we're going to pop the hood and take a look. Okay, we're going to go to the relays cover right here. Go ahead and take that off. All right, so the cover says MG CLT clutch, and there's number 3 fan, so we're going to go with the MG clutch there. Fuse, that's going to be right here, the white one. Go ahead and pull that out with your pliers, needle nose pliers. Don't drop it if you can help it. Does it look burned or anything? I don't see any. There's this crap right here. Alright, just set it to the side. We're going to try to find one that looks just like it. Last time we fixed this, last year, we just tapped on that and got it to work again for a whole year. This time I think we're going to try to go for fuse, the horn fuse. They're supposed to be the same, we noticed. Horn fuse is right here. Is that right? Yeah, horn fuse right here. Let's pull the second one out there. Try to use your fingers. See if you, all right, go ahead. There we go. Yeah, try that. Straight up. Go to the side again. Whoa. Okay. Here, hold that one. It should be the same. Hold it right up there. All right, put this horn one in here with the AC. Okay, just gonna make sure there's no corrosion in there, and that looks good. Okay, go ahead and put the horn one, or the, right there where the horn goes. Best thing is to just go ahead and buy a new relay. I think they're like $7 or $8. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and first of all, before you see if the horn works. I guess just handling it, just pulling it out, got it to work again. But okay, let's try the now the horn relay and where the air conditioner relay goes. There's a little clutch over here that you can maybe see. All right, so there's a compressor clutch right there on the end of that pulley there. If it's started and it's moving, the AC should be working. If it's not moving and just the pulley here is just turning, then it's not working. So I'm going to have him start the car, and I'm going to tell him to turn the AC on it. And if that turns, then AC should be working. Okay, go ahead and start it up. Okay, turn the AC on. As long as it stays on, it should be good. Looks like it's staying on. So, AC light staying on there. Cold air coming out. Awesome. So that's it with switching out those relays, the horn, with that AC clutch relay. Again, it would be best just to buy a new one. They're cheap and inexpensive, but for a temp fix, should work for a while. Thanks for watching. Again, this is 2002 Toyota Camry through 2006, as well as an Avalon, Solara, and Lexus. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Take care.